Hello and welcome back to the PC Road Detective channel. We are going to show you Google Form missing conditional question. Here is how to add them. This lets you send different viewers down different question path or tracks based on their answer, meaning you will get more detailed and targeted feedback. Now let's create a question. I'm going to type my first question, which is what is your subscription status? Make sure the question type is set to either multiple choices or drop down. I would recommend to going with multiple choice. The first option will be subscribe, another option will be considering subscribing, and the third option will be not sure. You can choose any other option if you prefer. Now we need to create three separate sections for each answer. Instead of adding a question directly, you can click this icon on the left, right, create a section, and I'm adding three sections this way. However, if you want to form to end right after the first question, for example, if someone selected subscribe and you want to the form in there, you can create just two section instead. Now match each section name with your answer option. Here I am titling a section considering subscribing and adding a question for it, such as what would make you subscribe. You can set the question type to whatever you like from here. I'm keeping mine as paragraph. Now for not sure, I'm writing not sure as a heading and adding question. Then I'm setting this type to multiple choice and filling in some answer option. Now let's go back to the first section. Click on your first section, then click the three dots at the bottom and select go to section based answer. When someone selects subscribe, I want them to submit the form, so I'm selecting submit form from the drop down. When they select considering subscribing, I want to add them to go to the considering subscription section so they can answer another question, so I'm selecting that. And for not sure, I'm selecting it to navigate them to not sure section. Now you can see it's been set up successfully. Here the important note: make this conditional question require this ensure people actually answer the question instead of skipping past them. I'm clicking on the question and turning on the require toggle. Now let's test it out. You can preview it without publishing. Just click the eye icon at the top and you will be able to see the preview without publishing. But in my case, I'm going to publish it, so I click publish. Once it's published, you can copy the link and test it. I'm opening a new tab and pasting the link by Ctrl+B and pressing enter. As we can see, the form has been loaded. Let's test it. When I click on subscribe and next is click, they are able to submit the form by going to the selected non-serious subscribing, then clicking next. They're taking to different section where answering is required. The same happens for not sure. Selecting it, clicking next takes them to their own specific section. And that's how you can easily create and publish it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.